Hi and welcome into the e-learning class. This is the first lecture on non-traditional machining processes. So let's start the first chapter. The syllabus covered in this chapter is Introduction to Non-Traditional Machining, Need of Non-Traditional Machining, Comparison between Conventional and Non-Conventional Machining, General Classification, Classification based on nature of energy employed, Process selection, advantage, limitation and applications. So let's start with what is manufacturing. Manufacturing म्हणजे काय? So manufacturing means the process of converting raw material into the final product which is useful for the human being. Manufacturing means काय? तर process of converting raw material into the final product. एखादं रॉ मटेरियल असेल त्याला फायनल प्रोडक्टमध्ये आपण कन्वर्ट करतो आणि ती वस्तू ह्युमन बिंग्सला उपयोगात असते, त्याला बोलतात मॅन्युफॅक्चर. सो देर आर टू मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग मेथड्स. सो फर्स्ट वन इज अ प्रायमरी अँड सेकंडरी. सो these manufacturing methods are categorized, but why these manufacturing methods are classified? It is the first question. So reason is, in primary processes we are not remove the material from the workpiece. Without removing the material we are achieve a final shape of the product. And in a secondary process we are removing the material from the workpiece and achieve a final shape and size of the product. जर का आपण उदाहरण बघायला गेलो, फॉर द एक्झाम्पल एक कास्टिंग प्रोसेस. इन अ कास्टिंग प्रोसेस वी आर नॉट रिमूविंग द मटेरियल फ्रॉम द वर्कपीस, वी आर ॲडिंग द मटेरियल. सो इन अ कास्टिंग प्रोसेस we are using a molten metal and it's pour into the mold cavity and it's cool at a room temperature and get a final shape and size. It is a example of primary processes. And example of the secondary processes is, if we are manufacturing a gear, so that time we need a machining operations. So that time we are remove the material from the workpiece and gets a final shape of the gear. So these are the difference between the primary and secondary processes. Means आपण प्रायमरी प्रोसेसेसमध्ये मटेरियल रिमूव्ह न करता आपण फायनल शेप अँड साईज अचीव करतो, आणि सेकंडरी प्रोसेसेसमध्ये मशीनिंग करून आपण फायनल शेप अँड साईज अचीव करतो. So these are some examples of a primary processes, non-traditional machining processes. So with the help of the traditional machining processes we are not achieve a this type of manufacturing. बघा त्यामध्ये किती बारीक काम केलेलं आहे. So these type of manufacturing we are not achieve with the traditional machining or conventional machining processes. So that time we need a conventional machining processes. So what is meant by conventional machining? So let's see. Or non-conventional machining processes or non-traditional machining processes. So machining processes where the tool and the workpiece does not make contact. Means what? There is no contact between the tool and workpiece, but the machining is done. Machining होते पण without any contact between the tool and the workpiece. So this is called as a non-traditional machining process. फॉर द एक्झाम्पल EDM प्रोसेस आहे, इलेक्ट्रिक डिस्चार्ज मशीनिंग प्रोसेस. ECM means electrochemical machining process. AJM ultra jet machining process and plasma arc machining process. Next is a conventional or traditional machining process. Next is a conventional and traditional machining process. So in this machining process we are use a hard and sharp cutting tool to remove the excess material. वर्कपीसवरचं आपल्याला मटेरियल रिमूव्ह करण्यासाठी हार्ड आणि शार्प कटिंग टूल यूज करायला लागतं. तर त्या मशीनिंग प्रोसेसला आपण बोलतो की कन्व्हेन्शनल मशीनिंग प्रोसेस आहे. सो द एक्झाम्पल लाईक लेथ मशीनिंग आर ड्रिलिंग मशीन.